Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. I am Noel James. In the headlines, President Ramnath Kovind gives assent to Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019 that abolishes the practice of instant triple talaq. Shillong police seize heroin worth over rupees 74 lakh. 2 women from Manipur held. Cabinet Minister Kamingwan Umbon visits West Khasi Hills to take stock of various developmental projects in the district. And Meghalaya becomes one of the states to initiate Khelo India program to boost sports sector. The news in detail. President Ramnath Kovind has given his nod to the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019 that abolishes the practice of instant triple talaq. The law comes into force retrospectively from 19th September 2018. A Gazette notification to this effect was issued on Wednesday. The Parliament had passed the bill on Tuesday. The bill seeks to declare the practice of instant triple talaq as void and illegal and makes it a cognizable offence. It also provides allowance to women victims and their dependent children. The offence is made compoundable with the permission of the magistrate at the instance of the married Muslim women upon whom talaq is pronounced. India has issued a strong démarche to Pakistan High Commission against the killing of an innocent Indian civilian in an unprovoked act of firing by Pakistan forces. The firing resulted into the killing of an infant boy and injuring of 2 civilians in the Poonch sector of Jammu and Kashmir. New Delhi also called upon Islamabad to investigate the incident. External Affairs Ministry shot off a letter to Pakistan High Commission in India and condemned the deliberate targeting of innocent civilians by Pakistan forces. The letter said this act is against all established humanitarian norms and professional military conduct. In the continuous effort to control the supply chain of drugs from other states into Meghalaya, the Anti-narcotic Task Force team of East Khasi Hills District, along with officers and staff of Madandating Police Station, apprehended a 38-year-old woman hailing from Saidan Village, Churchanpur District in Manipur. The accused, identified as Vansosiam, presently stays at Demthring Block 1. 32 soap cases containing suspected heroin weighing 393.38 grams, street value of which is approximately rupees 74,74,220, was seized from her possession. The investigation is still going and one more lady, Kimboy Hmar, has been arrested, police said, adding that they are not ruling out further arrests and are currently investigating the criminal conspiracy involved in bringing alleged contraband from Manipur to Shillong. The Minister in charge of Fisheries Department, Kamingwan Umbon, on Thursday visited West Khasi Hills to discuss measures to initiate welfare and development in the district. He was accompanied by Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Bursat. The Minister held review meetings with the Deputy Commissioner, BDOs, and officers of Fisheries Department of the districts. The department aimed to produce fish to uplift the economy of the people of the state, said Umbon, while urging the officers of the department to take up schemes seriously and to help the fish farmers in whatever way they can. He said that the government will put its confidence on the fish farmers so that they are able to supply fish to various markets in the state. He hopes that through the hard work of the farmers and the officers of Fisheries Department, the state will be able to be self-dependent.
Kita menjadi pula jarak 10 km waktu mencari kita dokha, kamu mencari dokha. Di market kejong ini manpumi dokha kambun nang ba nilai bangun dokha nasional.
The minister in charge, PWD building, Coming One Umbon, on Thursday conducted a spot inspection of a long pending project for the construction of Nongstoin district jails located at the Pot Kanthai, 2 kilometers away from Nongstoin, and assured that the government has initiated steps to carry out the implementation of the said pending project. He was accompanied by Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Barsat, Superintendent Engineer PWD K. Mawa, Executive Engineer PWD Building R. Sutanga, among others. Speaking to media here in Nongstoin, Umbon said that the purpose of the visit is to witness all the works that have been implemented. He said that the government has an intention to complete all the work within 2 years. He told that a newly sanctioned amount of Rs 27 crore has been allotted, adding that the government will try to complete the work at the earliest and make Nongstoin district jail functional.
Kepuasan target ini dan pendek kepuasan.
Kumbaga na sa kalalu dah mentah.
Mentang yang yuk sanction hari ni last sanction ni lah sanction 27 crore ni.
Baik sebab.
Di expect hiba kami ingin dapat kepuasan.
A program initiated by Khelo India was organized today at Nehru Sports Authority of India, SAI, to give training to trainers of sports persons or physical trainers of schools at the state level, the same of which is already adopted by CBSE and is functioning well. MS Brenda L. Pakantain, Additional Chief Commissioner East Khasi Hills, inaugurated the program. Assistant Director of Sports Association of India, Manikant Sharma, along with resource persons Sanjay Shah and Guddu Rawat, highlighted the importance of sports in student life. The Khelo India has already covered 8 states, and in today's program, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya were the states included. The Khelo India Fitness Assessment in schools define the fitness of students at different age groups to perform physical activity and encompasses a wide range of abilities. A Khelo India application school version has also been made available, where the teacher of the school can register and send the information of the students through this app directly to the Sports Authority of India.
Headlines. You know, it's very small, has got strength, endurance. Okay.
This initiative is under the Khelo India program, which is initiated by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. The idea is to make a physical assessment of all school-going children across the country. This time we are conducting this national level TOT program, and through this national TOT program we are creating a pool of master trainers, and these master trainers will be from physical education background, and they are already attached with various schools. So these master trainers will further train regional level trainers who will be from various schools, and those physical education teachers, once they are trained as a regional trainer in every district, they will further conduct the physical assessment of school going children.
Before we conclude, here are the headlines once again. President Ramnath Kovind gives assent to Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019 that abolishes the practice of instant triple talaq. Shillong police seize heroin worth over Rs 74 lakh. 2 women from Manipur held. Cabinet Minister Coming One Umbon visits West Khasi Hills to take stock of various developmental projects in the district. And Meghalaya becomes one of the states to initiate Khelo India program to boost sports sector. That's all we have for you today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time. From all of us here at the studio, good night.